What if you could land a killer tech job without having to code like a programmer? What if your main task was just talking to AI and teaching it to give better answers? Well, that's exactly what prompt engineers do. Today, I'm going to break down what this job actually looks like day to day, what skills you need, and why companies are scrambling to hire people who can boss around AI models. Let's dive right in. So, what is a prompt engineer? Prompt engineering is basically AI whisper work. Now, as AI like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini gets smarter, companies need people who know how to talk to them effectively, right? Well, for example, write tasks, tweak prompts, such as give instructions, give AI more instructions so you can accurate responses. And this isn't just typing random questions, it's a mix of language skills, logic, and testing different approaches to get the best results. And here's the best part. You don't have to be a coding expert to break into this field. So what does the day in life of a prompt engineer looks like? So what do you actually do all day at your job? Here's the real deal, by the way. Testing and tweaking, you experiment with different ways to phrase prompts to see how AI responds best. You also build templates, creating reusable prompt structures for chatbots, coding assistants, or customer support. You also collaborate with developers, designers, product owners, and integrate, with teams, fixing weird AI behavior because sometimes AI gives bizarre answers or hallucinates. So you figure out why and adjust the prompts and keep it on track. It's like being a mix between a detective and why did the AI say that, and a wordsmith. How can I rephrase to get a better answer? Here are some of the skills you need. You don't need to be a programmer like I mentioned earlier, but these skills will help. For example, strong writing and communication. If you can explain things clearly, you're already halfway there. Next is logical thinking, AI responds to structure, so you need to think step by step logically. Curiosity and adaptability. AI changes pretty fast, so you got to keep learning every day. And basic tech know-how. Understand how API and how models give you an edge. Backgrounds like linguistics, teaching, content writing, or even psychology can be surprisingly useful here. So how do you break into prompt engineering with no experience? How do you actually do it, right? Well, first step is learn the basics. There are free resources right here on ClayDesk channel, or play with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini daily. Take free courses like deep learning, for example, prompt engineering courses. You'll find several of them. Step 2, build a portfolio. Create a Google Docs or a Notion page showing what your prompts are. So before and after prompts, demonstrate those, right? And write something like how you fix the AI error. Step 3 is get real practice, right? Try freelance gigs at Upwork, Fiverr, and you name it. You can work on open source projects like GitHub prompt libraries. Check those out. Do projects. Pretend you're optimizing prompts for business. Step 4 is apply strategically, right? Apply all these skills. So for example, for AI trainer or conversational AI roles, apply at those jobs, right? Have those language skills like problem solving, not just tech. Companies are hiring like crazy as we speak. So for example, in finance, healthcare, marketing, needs people who can make AI work for them. And some of the job titles that you probably see, AI interaction designer, conversational UX specialist, language model engineer, AI content strategist, right? And what are the salaries? The good part, anywhere from say 80,000 to all the way up to 200K, depending on your experience and background. Not bad for telling AI what to do, right? So how do you actually break into this field? Well, like I said, play with ChatGPT daily, Claude, Gemini, test prompts, see what works, what the output is, build a prompt portfolio, and then showcase how you improved AI response for different tasks. Join communities like prompt engineering subreddits or AI Discord groups. We can take a course, right? Some structured programs, for example, right here at ClayDesk on our channel, we have several of those. So, did you become or want to become a prompt engineer? You really need to focus on certain skills, right? Like I mentioned earlier. And you must definitely enjoy experimenting and testing as well, right? So it's not a tech job with heavy coding at all, by the way. So what prompt engineering is not for you. So if you don't like writing, if you don't like structure, right? So prompt engineering is one of the new tech roles that did not exist a few years ago, but now it's the most in-demand skills today. So what exactly the prompt engineer, for example, in simple terms, they're experts talking to AI every single day, and more specifically, they know how to craft the perfect instructions called prompts that guide AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to produce accurate and creative results. That's the goal, right? It's not just typing questions into a chatbot. It's about basically understanding how language influences behavior of AI that gets the most useful and relevant output. Now, what makes this job unique is a mix of creativity, logic, and a deep understanding of how these models work. Now, prompt engineers experiment with different phrasings, formats, and structures to see what triggers the best responses. They often build reusable prompt templates or workflows that help companies automate tasks like customer service replies, right? Content generation, or data analysis. Now, as AI becomes more central to how businesses operate, having someone who knows how to speak AI fluently is incredibly valuable. That's why companies, especially those in marketing, tech, education, healthcare, operations, are rushing to hire prompt engineers like yourself, right? They're not just hiring for technical ability, but people who can think critically, solve problems creatively, and use AI as a powerful tool to get things done faster and smarter. So if you're curious about AI and love experimenting with language, so enjoy solving puzzles, prompt engineering might be the perfect career that you want to jump in right now. Here are the key takeaways. Is this career for you? Well, if you love problem solving, like I said, words, and working on cutting edge tech, prompt engineering could be your golden ticket. It's new, it's growing fast, right? But pays well at the same time. So if you're ready to start bossing around AI for a living, that's really what you want to do, right? So if you want more breakdown on AI careers, smash that like button, drop a comment, tell me what I should cover next. Understanding of how AI works and how a prompt engineer is critical. So let me know what you think. Comment down below. Make sure you give it a like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. My name is Syed, and I'll see you guys next time.